Hello everyone, welcome to the crash course by me Anuj Jindal. Today we are going to talk about a very important issue and we are going to have a look at certain questions related to the same. The issue that we are going to talk about is unregulated deposit scheme bill that has been introduced by the parliament recently. So what exactly is the purpose of this bill and what are the provisions related to this scheme? The name of the bill is Unregulated Deposit Schemes Bill, which says that for running an unregulated scheme is an offense. So you cannot legally run an unregulated deposit scheme. Fraudulent default in regulated schemes. The bill creates different offenses, which includes running an unregulated scheme, default in regulated schemes, wrongful inducement in relation to an unregulated scheme. The bill also bans deposit takers from promoting, operating, issuing advertisements, or accepting deposits in any unregulated deposit scheme. So, if you're a deposit taker and running an unregulated scheme, first of all, running it is illegal. Secondly, promoting it in any form is also banned and considered illegal. It also contains provisions, and this is a first, to repay depositors in cases where deposits have been taken illegally. So, if you have taken deposit, you are a depositor. You are the person who has taken the deposit, and then there is a depositor who has deposited the money with you. So, if you have taken some money from a depositor, then it makes it compulsory to repay that depositor whatever money has been taken from him. It also provides for attachment of properties to repay depositors. Now, this is important because if you have some personal property and after taking money from the depositor, you decide not to give back that money, then your personal property can be attached in order to pay back to that depositor. One question related to the same: which of the following provisions are not a part of unregulated deposit schemes bill? This might be a little confusing if you're not looking at the answer already. Bans deposit takers from promoting any unregulated deposit scheme. This is correct. Running an unregulated deposit scheme is now to be considered an offense. Yes, it is correct. The bill contains provisions to repay depositors in cases where deposits have been taken illegally. Yes, and you can also use personal properties. The bill provides for attachment of properties to repay depositors. The bill declares chit funds and nidhis as illegal schemes. Chit funds and nidhis are actually not illegal schemes. They are legal and regulated by RBI in some cases, as well as states where these chit funds and nidhis are functioning in many other cases, depending upon the kind of chit funds or the kind of nidhis that are running. If you like this lecture, please subscribe to my YouTube channel now. It was a small lecture which talked about only one particular bill and the most important provisions of that bill. If you have any feedback, please comment in the comment section below so that I can improve upon the videos. You can also join my YouTube community wherein I provide regular quizzes, regular PDFs, and I also provide notifications about my latest videos. You can also join my Facebook and Telegram channels as well as groups which are named as Success RBI 2018. Success RBI 2018. Here I post videos as well as quizzes on a daily basis, in fact. So that is going to be very helpful. You can also download the Infinity app that I have on Android Play Store and Google Play Store, and there you can take quizzes, and also you will find all the older PDFs related to phase 1 as well as phase 2.